Okay, so here I have a spline. Now from the top view, I will just try to adjust it little bit more path somewhere like this. Maybe possible this is the path which I want in my case. Okay. Now from here it will go like hmm, hmm. Now it's not look like a now this one looks like a face, a horror face. Yeah, the ghost one. Yes. Now we are having something like this, which I created the path. I am very good artist. This is one of the most memorable drawing which I created. Okay. I will sell it approximately $500. No, sir, why you are going cheap? Oh, more than that. Yeah. Okay. 5,000 something. 5,000. Yeah. So let it. So I created this one, right? This is my path. And as I told you, if you want to slide it little bit from here, just go down and you need to select your vertex point from here, this one, and make it smooth. Where it gone? Make fillet, right? So what I'm going to do, I will make it fillet over here like this. Make fillet. Hey, why fillet option is not working? What happened? Anyway, you can do that. It is not working, I think. The bottom. Huh? This one. Go top. The options. This one? No. Top one. Fillet. This one. Yeah, yeah. See. That's all. Yeah, now it's working. Okay. Yeah, just. Okay, no problem. It's totally fine. We are having this path animation, right? And from here, we are having this one. Make it smooth. Now, this is my object, this is my path, and I want to create my car. So I'm going to create one car. Here I'm going to show you something. Okay. So just create one box like this. And I'm going to create wheels of this car. See, I'm not making it too cool, but yes, it is a car. And from here, just create cylinder. This will be the wheel. Left view, just go to the left view and or the top view. From here, just attach it. Okay. Now go to the left view, and if I will make the animation somewhere like this. Okay, right now we don't have the rotation, we don't have the loop, so after few animation it will stop. Okay, again it will come in the loop. But if you are having 50 frames animation, but you need to take approximately 100 frames, so what will happen after 50 frames? The wheel will be stopped. Another part, the car will slide. So let's say if we want to change something, so we need to do the loop animation. That will be the different topic. Okay, for this class, what we are going to do, we are going to create a simple animation of the car and the wheel, right? So what I will do, first frame auto key, I don't want to do anything. Moving forward to the fifth frame or sixth frame, I will rotate this one like this. Now moving forward to my 6, 8, 10, 12 frame, I will make it like this. Now 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 frame. I will rotate it like this, and then 20, 24 frame, I will make it like this. Okay, so we are having something like this rotation. Oh, I changed the rotation values. That's why it is happening. Okay, so leave it. We need to make it another part. See, if I will change, see what is happening here. I rotated from the wrong direction. Okay, I rotated. It should be like this. It should be like this. Okay, I rotated from the wrong place. Okay, let's try once again. So first frame, let's say auto key turn on. Now check it to the sixth frame. Now go back. Now check it is working or not. Now it is working fine. Okay. Now 6 frame, 8 frame, 10 frame, 12 frame. Again, I will rotate it like this. Now 12 to 18 frame. Make it like this. And 18 to 24 frame, we are having something like this. Again. Now, if I will go back, we are having something like this. Okay. Now, let's say I need to create turn off your AutoCAD, auto key, right? I will try to make the copy of this one for now. Use instance. Huh? That you want use instance. Yes, instance. Sorry. We need to make the copy. We need to make the instance, not the copy. So it can be on all of them. Yes, exactly. So now let's check the both wheels are working or not. Yes, it is working fine, right? Now again from the top view, I will select this one, shift and make it forward here. Instance. Now we need to check all of them together. All wheels are working fine, right? Now, what will happen? Let me check on the animation keyframes how much it is going on. 20. Okay, so it is working on the 24 frame. So let's say we are going to create till 24 frame, right? So I will select this one. Okay. Now from here, what I will do, I will make it frame count 24 because I have the wheel rotation till for 24 frame, right? I will press OK. Now, if I will go back, we are having something like this till 24 frame. Okay. Now it's look like a loop, right? Now I need to see if I will do the animation, what will happen? Body will go different part, object will go different part, not the group. We are going to link it together. Okay, so this one, this object will link to this one. Okay, now this object will link it to the this one. This is very close to After Effects. Yes, this one is going to link with this one, and this one is going to link with this one. Now, if I will press W on my keyboard, I can see my whole body is getting connected. Let's say I need to create the animation of this object, right? Why we are going to do the animation? We already have the path. What do you mean? If we are going to animate it, it will take too much time, right? If we are going to create the path and then I can apply my main object on the path, so animation will come. Yes, we can link it as you did for the wheel. We are not going to link it. We are going to use one process that is called constraint. Constraint. Can you read it? Yeah, constraint. I will show you. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to select your object. Okay. Now, where it gone? You need to go to the animation part. Okay. And inside this, you are having this constraint, right? Yes. Inside this constraint, you are having this path constraint. Can you see this one? Path constraint. Right? Just select this path constraint. Now it will ask for the path connection. Okay, so let's say I will select this one. Oh my god. Okay, now if I will make it back from here, now you will notice my car is moving like this, which not looks good. Yeah. We need to fix this one. Okay, so I will just go here inside the path section. I think here somewhere path constraint option, maybe here. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. Let me do it once again. So I will select this one. Now I will just go to the animation, constraint and path constraint. This one will be connect here. Now I need to find that option where I can change it. Motion path. Yes, it will be somewhere here. Yes, you need to come here in this part, motion option. And here you can see it is written follow, along path, follow. If I will make it follow, now just try to rotate this one little bit like this. Now we are having something like this. Okay. Right? But we can make, as I told you, right? We need to add some more spices in it. Without spicing, it not look too much good. Okay. If you will notice, sometimes what will happen, my car is not going always straight or the curve. It is having something like this option. Like sometimes it will go like this. If you are making the plane or the jet plane, so what will happen? It will fly like this. Yeah. That is called your banking. Banking. Yes. And in the short term, it is called bank. Okay. So what I will do, first of all, I will stop this animation, right? If I'm going to apply this bank option, now you will notice my car will go something like this. It's like a roller coaster. Yes. So it's totally up to you how you want to show the things, right? Now, this is just a showing purpose. Next class, I will show you little advanced things. Okay. So make sure to do the practice of this one. Okay. Now, once you are having this one, let's add some more spices in it. Okay. So how we are going to add it? So as I told you, just come back here. Now I will create one plane like this. Just go back, right? And make your plane down little bit. Go to your left view, and from here just try to adjust your plane. So let's say first of all I want to make it camera animation which is going inside. Okay, so I want to make it from the top. So I will select this one, press auto key here. First frame I don't want to add anything. Let's say on the fifth or fifth frame I will make it. Now what I will do, I will select this camera. I will just go to my linking section. Now I will select this one and link with the car. This one. This one I am going to connect with here. Oh, it's getting complex to me. Connect with this object. So we are having something like this. Okay. Easy to understand. So that's how you can achieve your camera animation, car animation, wheel animation. Okay, that is just on the basic level, like in the beginner level. Now after this I will make it little bit more advanced. Okay, so try to make this one, and if you are having any problem and questions you can ask me. That's it for today. Okay.